Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel B4 BTech. So in this video we are going to see about Hill Cipher. So what is Hill Cipher? It is a substitution cipher that uses matrix multiplication to encrypt and decrypt the message. So here we have taken example as Kalaslingam. By using this example we are seeing what is Hill Cipher and how it encrypts the message. So here we are taking the example as Kalaslingam, which is our college name, and the question is encrypt it using this key. So key value is always provided in the question. What are the key value will be there? It will be provided in the question. So it will be in the matrix form. So here it is our key value. Now just we need to separate it into a pair of 3. So KAL, ASA, LIN and GAM. So we have separated into in the terms of 3 and 4 pairs are there. Okay, 3 for each pair, 3 letters for each pair we have formed. Now we need to go for the first pair of 3 letters. So we are encrypting this KAL. Okay, encryption for KAL. So what we need to do is we need to write the places of the letters. So here is the letter script. So here for KAL, first we need to check for K, then A, then L. So here it is K. So just we need to write for the K we have written 10. Then for A it is 0. So we have written 0. Then for L we have written 11. So likewise whatever the letter is there KAL, you need to check in what place it is mentioned here. So if it is mentioned like in the 10th place, you need to write 10. It is mentioned in A, so it is 0 place, so 0. Then for the L it is 11. So we have written 10, 0 and 11. And same whatever the key values is there, you just need to write that key values. And mode 26, this is the formula. So whatever the encryption thing you need to do, that you need to write in the left side. Then after that you need to write this key value and then mode 26. Okay, so then you need to perform this matrix multiplication. For matrix multiplication, like most of us know this matrix multiplication, but again I am telling this this matrix multiplication will be done in the L shape. Means you need to multiply in this shape. First one will multiply this, then we'll multiply this, and lastly we'll multiply this. Okay, so for the first we'll multiply this. So 10 into 17, I have written everything in this. 10 into 17, then again 0 into 21, then again 11 into 2. We need to form a L shape. In the opposite direction L shape will be there. So 10 into 17, then 0 into 21, then 11 into 2. Same thing, this is for the first one. Again we need to perform for the second one. Okay, so 10 into 17, then 0 into 18, then 11 into 2. This will be the second form. And third one is 10 into 5, then 0 into 21, and then 11 into 19. So this is for the third one. And then mode 26. Okay, so after solving this we got as 192. Again for this we got as 192, and for this we got 259. And then mode 26. How to solve this 192 mod 26? This all the 3 things we need to do separately. So 192 mod 26. So just see once, like 192 mod 26. So 26 divided by 192. If we'll divide by 7, it will be 182. So the remainder will be 10. So whatever the remainder will be there, we need to write here. So here the remainder is 10, so we are writing just 10 here. Again for 192 the remainder will be same 10. For 259 it will be for 259 it will be 259, and we will divide by 26. It will be by 9 we can divide, it will be 234, and then remainder will be 25. So 25 we can write here. So likewise we need to calculate this mode operation. When we are doing mode operation by 26, we'll get the values as 10, 10, 25. After that, when we are getting this 10, 10, 25, just again we need to check this in what letter this values are coming. For 10, what is the value? K. So just we need to write K here. Again 10, K will be written. And then for 25, what is the value? Z. So K, Z will be the value for this KAL operation. Now again we need to do for the ASA. So this KAL we have solved now. Likewise we need to do for ASA. So again this encryption for ASA. For this what we need to do, again we need to check what is the value for A, then S, then A. So the value for A is 0, so we have written 0. The value for S is 18, so we have written here 18, and then again the value for A is 0, so we have written 0, 0, 18, 0 for ASA. And again the same thing, that key value we need to have and then multiply it. More 26 will be added because this is a formula. Then again that back L shape we need to form. So 0 into 17, then 18 into 21, then 0 into 2. We need to add it, and then the value is 378. Again 0 into 17, 18 into 18, and 0 into 2. Everything we will add it, and the value will be 320. At the last, 0 into 5, 18 into 21, 0 into 19. Everything we have added, and the value will be 378, and then apply it with mode 26. Likewise, just perform this, just keep in mind we need to perform else if, because there will be a lot of confusion in this step. If you will mistake in this step, your value will be not correct and all the operations will be wrong. So just keep in mind you need to perform this else if. First we need to do with this, again we need to do with this, and at the last we need to do with this in the else if. Okay, so now we need to perform this mode operation. Already I have in the previous one, encryption for KAL, I have used that. By the same method you need to perform the mode operation, and the value will be 14, 12, 14. Basically it is the remainder. Mode means remainder. When you are dividing this 26 with 378, the remainder will be 14. So this will be remainder. So in the basic term we are using it as technical term, we are using it as mode. So when you are dividing with 324, the value the remainder will be 12. When you are dividing with 378, the remainder will be 14. So again just check the places of 14, 12 and 14. So for the 14, what is the letter? It is 0, so we need to write 0. Again for the 12th place, the letter is M, so just you need to write M. Again for the 14th, the letter is 0. So for the ASA encryption, the result is OMO. Likewise we need to do for the LIN. For the LIN, just check what is the value for L. It is 11, so just we need to write 11. For the I, what is the value? It is 8, so just we need to write 8. For the N, what is the value? It is 13, so just we need to write 13. So 11, 8, 13 is the digit for L, I and N. Again we need to have that key value, just we need to write that, and then mode 26. By solving this matrix multiplication, 11 into 17, then 8 into 21, this L form, 13 into 2, again add this, will get 381, then 11 into 17, 8 into 18, 13 into 2 will get 357, then 11 into 5, 8 into 21, 13 into 19. After addition of this will get 470. Then mode 26. After dividing this 26 with 381, we got the remainder as 9. After dividing 26 with 357, we got the remainder as 15. After dividing 26 with 470, we got the remainder as 14. So just now check the places of 9, 15 and 14. The place of 9 is J. J is the letter for the place of 9, so just we have written J. For the place of 15 we have written P. For the place of 14 we have written O. Likewise in this, just you need to perform a chart, just make a chart of it, and then you can simply write it. Again we are doing the encryption for GEM, the last one, that I will do it now. Okay, so it will be 17 into 6 plus 0 into 21 plus 12 into 2. This is for the first one, this helper working. Then again 6 into 17 for the middle one we are doing. Then 0 into 18 plus 0 into 18, and in the middle you just need to have addition, okay, plus 12 into 2. This is simple matrix multiplication you need to perform. Then for the third one, 6 into 5 plus 0 into 21 plus 12 into 19, and then we need to perform mod 26. So what are the value we are getting? 17 into 6, it will be 102, then it will be 0, then it will be 24, again it will be 102, it will be 0, and then it will be 24. So again 6 5s are 30 plus 0, and then 12 into 19, it will be 228. Then mod 26, okay. So the value it will be 126, 24 to 26, it will be again 126, it will be 258 mod 26. So just perform the mod operation. 26 divided by 126, and the remainder will be 22. Again the remainder will be 22, and then when it 26 divided by 258, the remainder will be 24. So just we need to check the places of 22, 22 and 24. So for 22 it will be W, again W, and for 24 it is Y. So at the last, for the GAM also we got the value. So just we need to check the encrypted value for all the pairs. For the KAL we have got KKZ. So for the encrypted text, what will be the encrypted text? Encrypted text, what will it will be? First for KAL it will be KKZ. So we can write here KKZ. Again for the ASA we can write here OMO. So just write OMO. Again for the LIN, the encrypted text is JPO. So we can write here JPO. Again for the GAM, the encrypted text is WWY. So we can write here WW and Y. So likewise we saw that for the when we have taken the example as Kalaslingam, firstly we have divided into pairs of 3 letters in each pair. So we have means of 4 pairs, and in one pair we have used 3 letters. We have encrypted the value for KAL, then for ASA, then for LIN, then for GAM. All the encrypted value we have combined, and the encrypted text is this one. So this is our final output that only we need to show. So by this matrix multiplication method we can easily make this Hill cipher encrypted text. Again if they will ask that, again you need to decrypt the message. Means encrypted text will be there in the question, they will ask like decrypt the message. So again you need to pair it in the 3, like you can make 4 pairs, and in the one pair you can attach 3 letters. Again you can have the value of like value of K will be there, value of K will be there, and value of Z will be there. 20 what is the value of K? The value of K is 10. So likewise you need to write K and 25, and then whatever the key value is given. So likewise you can again calculate, and all the values will be your decrypted text. So by these things you can find the decrypted text. It is very easy to find the decrypted text because all the values, all the outputs you have already gone. So like this way you can solve this Hill cipher encrypted text problem. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.